Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with an exciting work from home job lead. But real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and we share them on a daily basis, so make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss out. And the links are always in the YouTube description box if you want to put those applications in. But the big retailer Amazon is hiring work from home, and this is not some kind of engineer or hard job. This one is customer service based, and you do not have to have any kind of degree. So they are hiring a customer support specialist. This is for my United States folks only, and this is in conjunction with ShopBop. ShopBop is a fully integrated Amazon subsidiary based out of Madison, Wisconsin, and they are looking for a motivated individual who has an obsession for helping customers and customer satisfaction. Now, this is a full-time job. It is a direct hire position. It is paying $19 an hour, so this is customer service call center. Their call center is open 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week. So they are asking that you have the flexibility to work a variety of different shifts, including nights, weekends, and some holidays. But if that sounds like something you would like to do, ShopBop is an online shopping destination for fashion and style. So they are looking for someone to reply to pre-order questions about fit, fashion trends, style, product availability, and different promotions via phone, email, and online chat. You'll provide customers guidance through the online ordering process. You'll address and resolve any post-order questions, including shipping, billing, and delivery. You'll use different software products to resolve the customer inquiries, and you'll also have to work with shipping vendors to get those shipping issues under control. Now, again, they don't require any college degree, just a high school diploma or equivalent. They only require 2 years experience in some kind of customer service, retail, or service industry. And service industry can be waiting tables or anything like that. They're looking for someone who has, of course, great communication skills along with those customer service skills, someone who can do a basic math, someone who can manage their time, stay organized, and prioritize things, someone who can keep an eye out for high level of detail and make sure you are accurate with recording things, and someone who can work well under pressure. You may have customers calling you that are upset their order has not arrived yet. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.